Today marks the Drug Enforcement Agency's 19th annual National Drug Take Back Day, making sure unused prescription drugs don't find their way into the wrong hands. KSBY News reporter Sydney Branch shares how the San Luis Obispo community is doing their part to dispose of and keep medications safe.
According to the Drug Enforcement Agency, studies show that a majority of abused prescription drugs come from friends and family and often medicine cabinets at home. The San Luis Obispo County Opioid Safety Coalition shares how people can safely dispose of their medications when they're done taking them and why getting rid of them is crucial. Dropping off pills and securing them safely, all in an effort to take drugs back.
Like if you're not using it, let's dispose of it in a safe way.
Bag after bag of unused medication filled up boxes in San Luis Obispo early Saturday morning.
No, we save them up. We have a box in the garage.
Jen Rhodes from the San Luis Obispo County's Behavioral Health Department says cleaning out your medicine cabinet should be done every 6 months to help avoid clutter at home and so you can stay up to date on current prescriptions.
You don't want to be confused, right? If you do get sick later, you want to make sure that you're taking the correct one.
Getting rid of medication no longer needed can reduce the risk of accidents with children or misuse of medication, whether intentional or unintentional. The Behavioral Health Department says they have seen mental health problems peak during the pandemic, prompting people to reach for pills.
Folks struggling with their mental health will try to self-medicate with other substances.
And California Highway Patrol says it's many substances that can pose dangers on the roadways.
DUIs are more than just alcohol, and that's exactly the case.
In 2019, nearly 4,900 law enforcement agencies participated in the Take Back event. CHP in San Luis Obispo encourages the community to get medications out of people's hands who no longer need them.
Get rid of these things. That way you don't have to try to figure out for yourself what you're going to be doing with them. Just drop them off and we'll take care of the rest.
Drop-offs will be taken to the DEA where they will then be in possession of these medications. Rhodes says that 28 boxes were filled with 489 pounds of medication collected at Saturday's Take Back event. Reporting in San Luis Obispo, Sydney Brandt, KSBY News.
Thank you, Sydney. And for those who missed out on today's event, you can drop off unused prescriptions at any of your local pharmacies or ask the pharmacist for a mail-back envelope to dispose of your old or unused medications.